Stepping off onto a platform frozen in time, you absorb the echoes of conversations from decades past and witness the remnants of a once vibrant rail community. A hidden gem awaits, a converted station museum where the golden age of rail travel comes to life. Vintage locomotives stand proudly, reflecting the memories of countless journeys. The journey concludes at the destination's twinkling lights, marking the end with a tapestry woven from history, the melody of nature, and the indelible mark of a place where every traveler's heart finds a home.